Hey guys, Alice here. I know that you know that in less than 70 days, the year 2024 will be ending. I will be going into 2025. And the question is, how is your finance like? Are you still broke? If you are broke, then this video is for you. I know you've tried affiliate marketing, Amazon, KDP, digital marketing. Those business models are actually good business models. But the thing is, none of them is working for you. In this video, your favorite girl is here to teach you how you can be making $100 every single day chatting with lonely people. Yes, you heard me right. Those your virtual friends that you do chat with for free, you are now going to be chatting with online friends and start making money. The beautiful part is no experience needed. So let's dive into my first screen. Let me show you this top website that are paying massively for individuals like you and I to be chatting with lonely people and making this money. And in the end, we are going to be smiling to the bank. Okay, let's dive in. The first website is Premium.chat. You are going to come to your browser and type Premium.chat. It's going to load and open. When it opens, you are going to be clicking on the very first link, which is the link to their official website. Okay, when it opens, it's going to show you an interface like this. Mind you, Premium.chat has over 200,000 organic users, which 90% of them are very lonely people who are willing and ready to pay you for your time when you chat with them. As you can see, this person right here is charging almost $4 per minute to chat with people. This website accepts members from any part of the world who are ready to chat with people and earn money. So I know the reason why you are watching this video right now is that you are ready to chat with people and earn money. The beautiful part of this website is that they give you the 100% rights to charge your client what you feel is worthy of your time to chat or call with your client. You can charge these people from $1 to $50 per minute. You don't need to worry about what they are going to pay you because you have the liberty to set the price you want to charge your client. As I earlier said, this website is a global one, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world with any device in as far there is data connection on the device. Premium.chat has reliable and on-time payments. You can get paid through direct deposit or through PayPal on every 10th of every month for the previous month's chat with full accounting. Okay? So with all that being said, let me take you through on how you can sign up on this website and create your own account and start chatting with people. So you are going to click on the sign up and it's going to open this interface. When it opens this interface, you can see seller account and buyer account. When you are signing up for a seller account, it means you need to get paid for you to chat with people. While if you are signing up for a buyer account, you need to pay people for them to chat with you. But the reason why we are here is for us to set up a seller account for us to chat with people and get paid. So click on the seller account and it's going to load and take you to where you can sign up properly. Actually very easy for you to sign up. All you need to do is for you to insert your username, your first name, your last name, your email address and your password. Then you are going to sign up. It's very easy, simple as ABC. Just put on these details and you get started. If you have watched the video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button for me. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are yet not to subscribe. Turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this one. And please do not forget to share with your friends, your family. Don't be selfish. So let's continue. The second website is Remotely For You. Type Remotely For You on your browser and click on the very first link. That's the official link to their website. It's going to open like this, and let's navigate the site a little before we sign up. Okay, so this is how their official website looks like. Mind you, this website is located at the United States of America. So let's see what we'll be chatting about. We help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. Our users write online text messages to fiction people on a fantasy chat platform. Your job is to answer them and make conversations. As a chat operator, you will be 100% anonymous, work independently and with full flexibility, earn money depending on how often you work, help those who need someone to talk to. So the most important one that we all have been waiting for is, what is the salary? As a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much as little as you want. You can also work from everywhere you want as long as you have access to internet. There are different ways to reward you. That's the different way you can be paid. The basic salary is calculated on how many messages you reply to. Our rates per message depend on various factors such as time of the day, traffic, holidays, and more. It is hard to say exactly how much the salary will be, but a skilled chat agent who works 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, can easily earn between $100 or $300 weekly. Some of these top agents make over $3,000 a month. Do you hear that? This is from the official website, okay? So basically, this website pay weekly and their payment is in euro. This website remotely for you only accept candidates that are above 18. So if you are not above 18 watching this video right now, this particular website is not for you. With all that being said, let's apply. Click on the apply now. You are going to fill in your first name, your last name, and email. Put on these details and you will get started. You see, guys, those are the websites that you can chat with lonely people and start smiling to the back in no time. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video like this. The next video that is popping up on your screen right now is the video that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. So click on it right now and I'm going to see you in the other side.